the question is, what is like, are we kind of set up for a world like that with AI where like you're going to get a handful of companies that run these closed models that are going to be in control of the APIs and therefore going to be able to tell you what you can build? Well, for one, I can say for us, it is worth it to go build a model ourselves to make sure that we're not in that position, right? Like I don't want any of those other companies telling us what we can build. But from an open source perspective, I think a lot of developers don't want those companies telling them what they can build either. So the question is, what is the ecosystem that gets built out around that? What are interesting new things? How much does that improve our products? I think that there's a lot of cases where if this ends up being like, like our databases or caching systems or architecture, we'll get valuable contributions from the community that'll make our stuff better. And then our app specific work that we do will still be so differentiated that it won't really matter, right? It's like, we'll be able to do what we do. We'll benefit in all the systems, ours and the communities will be better because it's open source. There is one world where maybe it's not that. I mean, maybe the model just ends up being more of the product itself. In that case, then I think it's a trickier economic calculation about whether you open source that, because then you are kind of commoditizing yourself a lot. But from what I can see so far, it doesn't seem like we're in that zone.
Do you expect to earn significant revenue from licensing your model to the cloud providers? So they have to pay you a fee to actually serve the model?
We want to have an arrangement like that, but I don't know how significant it'll be.